Well, you are welcome once again on hashtag Don Iniesta 08 YouTube show. This is the Don Premier League show. Today, there is this big game in Ghana, and then it promises to be one of the best big games these two teams are going to showcase at Accra Sports Stadium today. Heart of Folk is hosting Kumasi Asante Kotoko Krobia Mbetiemba at the Ohinejan Sports Stadium. That is the nation's Wembley. We have a player and a legend. He traded with these two clubs. He first traded with Heart of Folk, and then Kotoko happens to be the last team or club that he played among these two teams. At 3 o'clock today, there will be the game. So we are here at NASCO Drinking Company and then Accessories to give you a resounding interview with the goal scorer, the goal puncher, the striker, in a person of Nashiru Gani. Nashiru Gani. Yes, sir. Obama Onino. Ayayi. Edimbi Sanka Nashiru Gani Nwana.
Comment il y avoir aussi Nashiru Gani Lampard. Lampard is also.
I propose that what you be proud of my mistake. Nashiru Gani Lampard. Oluwa. Sa Oluwa we let me say to Bribia Ebe Shebia, baby say one touch Premier Gala. Oh God.
I go expand out of life.
I'll come call. Short now. That would you 18 years. And I said,
maybe I sent an 18 born about here.
Hey!
No. Oh, we travel a bit machine. Miss Mania promising pain for saying because we imagine. They are down by one.
Hey!
See him Bobby on platform, see what they do. Yeah, embrace the embassy.
Oh!
I say me free pain for me. And ambassador.
Oh, great. Wow. Nashiru Gani Lampard. And then we interview Don Iniesta 08. Nia you free when channel say to know. Obe subscribe na wa share. O share nso ana adamfo ni onua bi nso etimenya yeti because and the interview no packed. Wuntumi enya say has ne Kotoko bo match na say o say open interview aya. Wuntumi hwehwe player bia enja no ho say Nashiru Gani Lampard because ono ena ye obi a two teams no wabo Heart of Folk wabo Kumasi Asante Kotoko yenim na Nashiru Gani Lampard aye e okromu ha ene Kumasi ene enkraman Nashiru ewie yesama akwaba biem yesero ma woni ne so na
Mejo so director
sharp Lampard say oy
Mejo me oyiji.
wow nti wejai ball na say edwuma foforo e na wo ye na
First answer me ball kono me na ko share edwuma.
okay
Nti ball nye fam na me say no sagyo le say me dey 2 nche. Nti be prayer na me ba fie na me say no.
That was all coach.
Some fam edwuma.
Sir. Okay.
Me oyiji dey.
Okay.
Edwuma me.
Okay. Away match day 6 for Ghana Premier League and so. Now I'm sure say what follow league no kakra from first match to match day 5. Until say you know obia bo 5 matches. Actually Dreams FC any Ebusian Drums any Heart of Hope and a Winnambo 6 matches. Other clubs need about 6 matches. Tiaka area with 3 o'clock. We are no free honma. Now Dreams in Ebusian so abo Monday 3 o'clock. Okay, coast. Heart of Folk ni Kumasa Sante Koto games. Like I'm wabbing na when they cross a match. Wabo has Wabo Koto.
Say Mr. Tiafri, Sata me bohas. Let me say, you see has no kotoko every boa. Tension be a free supporters and send a big campaign for a big camo place. Nation. The Mikai say, every boa against kotoko. Sata no has.
Okay.
A question will beach. After beach, you know, a better my 8 to recover from the Koshi ran about to Tema, ran about 18 miles in and out 36 miles because of Kotoko. And the Sabu President be a SID called be a company against Kotoko, be a SID company a different. And which you say Kotoko has much beer difference. The
preparation no
difference room.
Wow.
The idea different.
Wow.
Promises the area different. Bonuses say different. And the say Kotoko has bebo as a player who has a say wouldn't need kukuduro untimbo untimbo because them say membo bida the guy be share but after me starting ball matches be share Kotoko na fan is easy let me say metima here let me say metima here and you be do Kumasi and mo kan tell me say omo pene mambo say Joe arrange no why we so be pen say oh pinya akola ebi amabobo sirima amabobo abeduru yeji asama abeduru hono de menya akola ni siro obia ala kari muzito say betado say won pene mame ye bo sa ball no because of one match na abeka fi so de embaso nti hono late offense am say no e use me bo match ana sabanko say da bi ye use Ablad Morgan ana so ko for general say bi Ba no boy matches no so we gen na nko so won so what mabo won so no enti ya di play be free see Kumasi bi ya da no ade chinya who selection no ana mo di makoto bench enti from the hotel no at Bas Stadium Kumasi supposed to the masusa because manya promise one country say since Accra ma kan say measure one go so no match ana alaji has say so far as plan so be share dia o manu mbo ana so de on pene it is that no be so promise say well bet match say one go no can ni ji safon so de ba better do this man country say my friend me say on be fa kan ko yi enti me say na measure go enti ya free hotel no ba e be Drew Stadium say no mo say misu no enti we betinam dombo timo we betinam ncha no ma betre obi betinam no ma betre enti be disa sunu e dia wura park mo be sat na amanfo obi e de enhu ye be na ha supporters mo Kumasi no mo buofu si adentina
Lampard wo
me nka first 11 enti penfo no bi ko mo ko kasa kire mo se mo nya 3 enti beti bench enti mo ball na e chire ko me hwe ball no bi
okay
na me hwe ball no enti e do 8 minutes to close ana mo se me seri o mo en ko na me se me bo enti oseko for general ana ka se me de me sori o mo enti wie mo me wie no na 6 minutes ana ka enti sa 6 minutes na me wura mu e ba first ball bi an bo bia corner second one corner third one MC no sabo we de me pass ma obia
sharp
ni ami de ko che
sharp
enti me de ba free center me twi Samuel me twi Godfrey Deboa John Rich afa me hwe mechi a me hu say place no obi andi mechi na me ka say bia o ma we still offside na me ma yede manti enti me tie me wa na Jojo Wusu agina me say ma we still na me manti na me bobo na do ada to ho e chire na the late offense aka chem say enyo offside me de me nsa de to me so one goal no
enti that time na wo has no na coach Ben na o head coach
abetado
and na the late offense assistant enti obetimi aka ye mo first 11 no
oh the first 11 metimi aka ye
one die
Sani Aji
okay
ama nkwamreku
okay
Afuaresi 3.
Okay. Na share in my hand.
Enti 4 and 5 ni Dankwe.
Okay.
Ana kom na Boafo.
Okay.
Enti over the rest Resaji wo ho. Ajate to on 5.
Okay.
From Texan 11.
Okay.
General Kufuor 10. Na me 9.
Okay. Sa team no.
Sa team.
Na Domote e wo ho.
Ne Domote wo. Ona le 11.
El Ahadi Diouf.
Ona le 11.
Enti prayers no. Nkomo ben na ya mudi wo mo ho as Kotoko games.
Atas na me ti ho se na yejin kola no e presi se me no bobo me kasa kire o no presi me no. Sa na me so 10 dia me bibia yes we respect obi ese o se Kofo general
Captain.
Yes, Sata me bo has. But in mind bo no say yense wontimi asafa me na me dia man. O ma me confidence ma me timi bobo ama won say yes, this is the player. Nti o ma me bobo krampo mi nsuru. O se me say ball ko ma me fi obia. Me ntaki next time here. E beba. To ma me sa confidence ama I wuro me mu. Nti team bia be share bia no nsi me hu defenders nti say o mu light e ma me.
We are still at the interview grounds with Nashiru Gani Lampard, one of the great ex-footballers that the country or the two clubs in their rivalry had seen on the field of play. Yegusuwa yene Nashiru Lampard Gani interview. About 2 clubs here and there, Omunti and a granting interview here. Wabo 2 clubs nina. Ti you have to focus on as still a ye bob. Na breso e will have to focus. Omusha Kotokwa a sanity. No one Guswa. Eti all have to focus no. One have to focus Kotoko games. Wash go.
Em say ye ba Kumasi no sa ina happy no
okay
and to masu from Kumasi to Accra no blame afi the tea radio station be see omo debate we say inexperience we say ehu and so like na madam for pan ene songo sa to me ko to tem bia o ba me fi
okay
and to friend na kan say oh David enye inexperience enye ehu baby am adwuna eden akoni entina ball na say
okay
be returning match Kotoko ba returning match Accra na we say
Nashiru Lampard enye inexperience
great and so like on buy no so e start first half ana ajatete e twa ball bi mami and me control ball na Isa Medini nti me di fan so na John Rich nti man break ball no bi mi bobo na Jojo Chibo no de to ho ana Blood Morgan
a pressure
1-0 wow John really di 1-0
okay
nti boa ana unfortunately ana Dida Chipsa bobo bi ana Dida 22 ana Shila Alasan
okay
be tap share ana mo that
okay
1-1
and this game no na 1-1 year ben no.
That was 2003.
And no na mko unbeaten. And so Angelique.
They be Angelique. Angelique.
Oh, I say okay.
From there the house there say ye call Pandu. Ana mo kire say o mbe share. Say no mo share Kotoko. Sata no Kotoko nya dika ko ana mo share Kotoko. Nti yeso e ba no so mbe share. Unfortunately ye adu Pandu no. Mpemfo se bia juju ana nya juju
okay
cause e duru ho na mpem ya ko tira papa bi papa mi se issue we embesa e duru park nso mpitipiti o park nso nti tio men se on beto no eno na be say de
amount
abesa akom so cause ya nsan nso na compete park nso bia asematu nti ya popo ye ho ana ya ko sansi ni ya ko park nso nti ko park nso omo tutuo na nso ya petipiti nso na go park nso pa e bo na bo me Facebook ana
against Heart of Lion
omuku Pandu bo Facebook ana ro saje bo sekengo nsa na e di free kick to ana wa onim Bernard Domboti
sharp
o twa de tum na twatere
eti Kotoko Kolusu ewo Bando na Hearts ko win 3-0 na Gani adrobo
football de mi tim ka chesa adro ni
adrobo
sala ujidia ebe ya juma
na we move from Heart of Oak to Kotoko eshase kwembenso na eshase
mi ko Hearts no at that time no ma frère di pen fon ka tron se omniska and the minimum loan so after loan no on say no ça player donc ni ko say man de e man ko and the minimum boys no prepare say ska bi anka be ji on betia and the mo frère mi pen fon no e ko yo no e ko ka tron with some community ni na say be 70 million nti nde echina ama date ni be ebe dure and I say no you see me tina sadia ebe hami with some from mania starting and to na maba fie ma register wi nti so like it's not Saturday see league na sa chem mi A and B
no betting league no
nti mo ha na ku sapon be frame say o sere mi anka be se me bo no e wo ko unite nti o mate an ko kanchire mi brother senior ti ka chese yana senior so afre e chairman no ona mo no ko una de aka ama ko dwon ko ifra ko ususu de mabuo cause
ya tipa
omo ko relegation ba ko yo mafrim satana antun ana no wazakish nko na 1-0 ana masho nti ye ba ye no e ba ko match ni maka yin say match o meshe go meshe 2 meshe 1 omo nye ne pa o meshe bi aka ho mi de meshe mi de si sam si an apanapa na mashe nti omo ana maka yin say enu Kotoko no meshe
sharp
nti meshe na omutika Chastila di penalty tika ana mo sa oni Chastila na sa sheba ko akana mashe 2-1 o kumasi nti returning match ana mudi yako Kepkus nti wana maka chose match o meshe nti mi dikanshi ana senji mbula etika ene 1-1 nti the end of the season na me say mi din ewo Kotoko list Hans Smith former Kefesel coach Bruni mi din anya ba Kotoko list
so
opemi nti mi mesume ba no na wono so yede free na Betado na be take over
ti Betado na woni ni ye adwuma ewo Heart of Oak no
story coach Malik Jaber
Jaber
so my frère Betado e bona mane say si na my Kotoko si mi mo si mi kwa the way me started has me started no Kotoko sa ma me bien yede emma si mati nti mo wana mo say ko pre-season o Burkina so Burkina na yede dina yede astati epeja nti friendly matches na e bonu nyina bonu ba me bo hono goes na mission e o Kotoko o player obi mo friend Abulai nti mo free mo di play ba Burkina be hwe matches bi ye na Asfa Unega nti week ana be break league no e be break season aba Kumasi o ye be ba na net di no anya spread o Kumasi da Kesbin FM awa Mohammed mo ka sem no be a person who the part of the type of national Ghana any games are okay o Burkina nti so like say a week na na sako Galan
one touch Galan
one na sako Jimmy Dingi
e ko na onya national Ghana Lampard
e be ko no nti Malik Jaber no ye captain e Isamed assistant captain Edmond
Osuasa
Edmond nti ye be ko no na George Siwonko makolo se embassy wonko dan ko Siwonko Jojo Siwonko omo se o mama opportunity ye young boys no me dan o bon faali o drago ACN ko ACN bless ni de an so wonko ana me Karim Zito mba ma kan say ya ye won ko isa ye so bo team kesi da ase ne ba Kotoko nto no mo ba Kotoko has akase na me wo has no mo ba has me tuna yo musa se me tuna yo musa so mo nim say wo jide wo so a me ojide say nko e betuna fa cap na ba fi ana mo sisa nko ana mo di ba se na be stadium say yembra nti ba na betuna ba so na yako So like you could do Accra Sports Stadium. I'm there called Tadoma Hotel. The first match. And then any Azakes. And Medina Center like say and a bomber man move straight to net.
Okay.
And then 1-0. And then okay. And the second match, any sportif. This show 2-1. Michel Bakwan and you Drago Sheba.
Okay.
And the third match, and any Liberty. And show 2-1. Michel Bako and a Kuku say Shebako. Until after the who say, maybe I call it the co semi fan and fana. And you could do fear if you are, and I can't say, you back any bandu butterflies. And they started first half. Nakandanya Shebako. I finished the Minajisu. Ye, Fabolo, often, re, often. And my first half ended 1-0. To one of my country in phone said, you did say, don't be much, but me, and Kazakhstan to lose. I'm going to want me volti quarter. And I can use it to a volti quarter and be abolition and be a woman's and be 9 and be our papa. First go by second go. And because she had a magic deal.
Olua! Therefore, Yane Nashiru Gani Lampard, ex-player Heart of Folk, ex-player Kumasa Santikotoko, and I didn't. Interview na yede. Say ye ko match ni. Nashiru Gani Lampard. Gani teams bi o ha wabobo ansana. Wabobo Kotoko ni has na.
Free. My chef said, "Oh, the team my free abandon Salaga." Because the kind of costume, a whole young woman. You mean a free agent, you papa free Salaga. Okay. Salaga, you have one of my costume, you know. Okay. And I'm about Japa Warriors. Okay. So from Japa to AG Stars. So AG Stars, my boy, Anna Yaba Premium. Okay. Yaba Premium, no, after Premium, Anna B United. I found it. Okay. And to be United 2001. Honor media share has also. Okay. It's a cook man, a crown master share. After the league runner has for Abe family.
Yadebesia na yasai atwaso ewo the next interview. Pre se obahwehwe interview no wati na Nashiru Gani national asset. Former Blasters player, former Heart of Folk player, former Kumasa Asante Kotoko player, former Black Meteors player. Nashiru Gani, Coach Marek Jabel, Akuchino, Coach Herbert Ado, and so Akuchino, and a slighted and so any Djukovic, or Mumina Akuchino, and Nashiru Gani Lampard, and a way, Yaneno, a train and Como, Ewo Nasco Drinking Company Limited, Ewo Yeji, Nasco, Eyanuma Bibri, tis a ope. Nsu papa ano ope yogurt papa ano ope bibia papa ya Nasco drinking water ebetumi adum ama wetima ye ne hall and as a conference hall and ayewa e dey interview no peace shalom.